all you beautiful people, this is Karishma and today we're talking about Korecart, an Indian online platform that bridges the gap between Indian consumers and Korean brands and provides authentic and genuine Korean products. So this website not only has K-beauty, it has a lot of other fun things as well, like K-food, K-gourmet and K-toys, kitchen stuff. So definitely check it out. If you're someone who watches K-drama, I know people in India have been watching it forever and have been recommending it forever. I have just recently joined the bandwagon and I'm enjoying it thoroughly. So the first K-drama I watched was The Legend of the Blue Sea, and I'm watching What's Wrong with Secretary Kim right now, and both of them are really good feel-good K-dramas if you're looking for something new to watch. So in those shows, whenever they eat something delicious like ramen, I crave it, and this website has a lot of options of ramen and a lot of K-food, so that's nice. Does this happen to you that when you watch these K-dramas you feel like having their delicious food? Anyway, Korecart provides always some hot deals are going on, some offers, so you can get Korean products easily at affordable prices. So the first thing I want to talk about from this website is Plant 36.5 multifunctional vitamin shower filter. So these shower filters not only remove the impurities from the water, it also claims to balance the moisture and make the skin healthier and cleaner, and also it smells really good. So this filter helps remove residual chlorine from water using vitamin C, and because of how rich it is with vitamin C, it also has anti-aging properties. Also, it definitely has a very soothing effect because of how good it smells and because of its aroma. So this filter has 5 variants, and I have with me the one I have tried is this cherry. It smells really good, guys, and I also have green grape. I have not tried this. I'm looking forward to try this out. This filter has highly concentrated vitamin C, which is equivalent to 1500 lemons, and this helps in removing the residual chlorine of tap water. Also, because of the richness of vitamin C, it improves the skin elasticity and is very good for anti-aging. This filter can be easily installed. You wouldn't need help of any technician to install it. Also, its dimensions are universal, so it can fit a lot of places. Your shower head, of course, also your wash basin, your wash stand. It is made of eco-friendly material, so that is always a plus point. So if you're looking for a product to enhance your shower experience and to make your skin healthier, then definitely check this out. I will leave the link to this product and all the products that I talk about in this video in the description box. So this product is really fun to use. It is Plant 36.5's Plant Cell Charcoal O2 Bubble Mask, and I'm going to show you how this looks on skin and how this functions. So this is how it is going to look, but this is going to bubble up after a while. So while I talk about this product, you can see how it bubbles up. This mask has activated charcoal, which is very good for removing skin impurities. Also, this bubble mask gently removes the dead skin cells. So as you can see, the mask is already bubbled up, and when I apply it to my face, I leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes, after which I rub it in circular motions and I wash it off, and it definitely makes my skin feel squeaky clean. The main ingredients in this mask are charcoal, pearl, soybean and tea. Charcoal helps clear the skin and makes pores appear smaller. Pearls improve the elasticity, also has antiseptic and disinfectant properties. Soybean is good for moisturizing the skin and helps fight wrinkles. And tea has powerful antioxidants which help in preventing skin cancer and also has a lot of other anti-aging benefits. This product is made with herbal extracts, so that is a blessing for people with sensitive skin. And as this product has the properties of 3 masks in one, clay mask, bubble mask and oxygen mask, I will definitely give it a thumbs up. Another product that I'm really enjoying using from Korecart is Plant 36.5's Plant Cell Relaxing Body Scrub. It is made from natural extracts and it has no added chemicals. How cool is that, guys? This scrub has walnut shell powder and it has the fragrance of fresh green tea. So the main ingredients of this scrub are walnut and honey, and other important ingredients are glycerin and ginseng. Walnut extracts have vitamin B, which has anti-aging properties. Honey moisturizes the skin and acts as a pore cleanser. Glycerin is effective for control and prevention and treatment of dry skin. And ginseng has anti-aging properties, which keeps the skin young and fresh. This scrub really does its job well. It has a very granular texture and it cleans the skin thoroughly. It removes the dead skin very well, and it makes the skin soft and supple. So definitely this scrub will also get a thumbs up from me. That is it for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, then please like this video and let me know in the comments what Korean product you would like to try out, or if there are any Korean products that you would like to suggest, because I would definitely want to try out more products. You can also tag me on my social media. My handle everywhere is Karishma Rawat. So until next time, please take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.